family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video. Now I got a special treat for you today because in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own aloe vera essential oil. Aloe vera essential oil is not a pure oil extract. Instead, the gel extract is mixed with carrier oils to make this wonderful essential oil. So if you cannot find this oil anywhere in the stores or online, you can make it yourself at home. When making this wonderful essential oil, there are two methods that you can use in creating this wonderful oil. There's a way on the stove, which is using heat, or there's a way that you don't have to use heat. So today's video, I will be using the heated method. Now before cutting your aloe vera, you're going to make sure that it's clean and freshly washed. Then after that, you're going to trim off the edges, the little prickly spikes. Then cut your aloe vera into big pieces. Next, slice your aloe vera pieces into halves. Now carefully scrape all of the aloe vera gel off of your aloe vera leaf and put it to the side. Now place your pan on your stove and put it on a medium flame. Then pour in a half a cup of your coconut oil and let it warm. Now when your oil is hot enough, you're going to pour in your aloe vera gel. Get all of the jelly out of the bowl and into your pan. As an option, after cutting your aloe vera leaf into chunks and then scraping out the jelly, you can actually put it in a blender and blend it before putting it into your pan of coconut oil. Now we're going to use our spoon and we're going to stir our aloe vera jelly around and mix it up with the coconut oil. You're going to continue stirring this until your aloe vera turns kind of reddish or pinkish. Now it's starting to turn a little pink, but we're going to keep going. Once your aloe vera jelly turns to this color, like a nice pinkish color, turn your flame off and let your oil cool down. Once your oil is cool, strain and pour it into your favorite mason jar. Aloe vera oil has wonderful benefits. It soothes and hydrates the skin. It nourishes and accelerates the regeneration of new skin tissue. It has anti-aging properties. It's great for preventing as well as treating dandruff and itchy scalp. It will make your hair shiny and promotes hair growth, Plus, the aloe vera oil can help maintain the pH of your scalp, which is needed for healthier hair. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.